Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Betty Crocker banana bread using an easy method. First, ensure you have very ripe bananas, a Betty Crocker banana bread mix, and a few other common pantry items. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Begin by mashing your ripe bananas until smooth. Now, add the Betty Crocker banana bread mix directly to your mashed bananas. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg into the mixture. Gently stir all the ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter, as this can lead to a tough loaf. If you're enjoying this easy banana bread recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: after your kitchen smells amazing from baking, keep your car smelling fresh too. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the prepared 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.